So guys, it's Paul here, IT Computers, IT for Tomorrow. Just to continue my video from yesterday, this is the CPU cooling fan, which supposed to cool down the CPU. You can see underneath the color has changed because it was obviously overheating, and just look at that. The air is supposed to get sucked from the underneath, from here, by the fan, and it's supposed to get through this radiator like that. But obviously, because it's blocked with dust, the air doesn't go anywhere, and it's overheating. So the fan would then make more noise, and the motherboard would get much hotter, and the CPU would get much hotter, and eventually it would just fail. And the manufacturer don't seem to say that because they obviously interested to sell you more computers or desktops or laptops, whatever, and that is exactly what's happening to the majority of the machines we have to fix the simple overheating because of lack of the maintenance. So yeah, here you go. It's a good example. Thank you.